Hi everybody. So it's Kara, and I'm gonna do a pour on this door. This is for my foster son. He is gorgeous, and these are the colors that he chose. So I'll just show you. Is it blue violet, which is really pretty. That's the blue violet right there. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I'll turn on some more lights. And then there's the red blue, I think this one's called. They're Amsterdam colors and they're absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. Oh, Naphthol Red Deep. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right or not, but that's a beautiful red color. It's kind of an orange, pinky red. We got magenta, I've got copper, I got lime green, and another color blue. That one's the ultramarine blue, which is a really cool blue. Anyway, he chose all of these colors, and so I'm going to do a pool. I've got my white. The copper is American Decor. Americana Decor. I'm going to move these out of the way now. And then over here, I've got my hair dryer here somewhere that I fixed up. My handy dandy hair dryer. I'm hoping that the camera will stay on while I do this, and I'll try not to be too long with it, but I'm sure it's going to be. So I'll likely just do it in little stages and then show you when I'm completely finished. So I'm going to coat it in completely white, and then I'm going to do open cup pours on it through the whole thing. So I guess I'm just going to start, aren't I? I might have to mix up more white, of course, because there's a lot. I don't think that's plastic is quite covering the end of my table where I need to. Tricky. Well, it might be okay. I don't know. Anyway, let's find out. Paint washes up, doesn't it? And no, I don't smoke. I have got this rotten cold, crappy stomach. I'm just going to start with that. And that right there. I'll probably put another one right there. Oops, I'm gonna lose my stuff here. I'll just put this down on the floor for now. Anyway, my little guy is 5 years old, and he's in pre-primary this year. And he's pretty darn cute. I'm gonna plop that one there. Actually, I'll just leave that there now, but I am gonna get rid of this ear. Most of the white is not an Amsterdam white. I used a different white only because the Amsterdam white is not an inexpensive venture, and I needed a lot. So I did, however, put linseed oil into each of the colors. So we're going to start with that, like so, and then we'll go to the lighter blue, like that. That's the aquamarine. Aquamarine. There's one that came up already. Pardon my sniffling. Let's put a little copper in there. Right there. How about pink? No. I'm going to put the green down next to the copper. And then there we go. And then I'm going to put the pink down. Now my ingredients in this is, like I said, linseed oil. I put about 4 or 5 drops in each color. I also mixed my paint with clear Elmer's glue and warm water. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Yeah, this is looking really cool. So yeah, that's the gist of it. So I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna stop the video, and then I'm gonna post it when I'm finished, because this is gonna take a while. See you soon.